Hello, welcome to my brand new channel. Now I know a bunch of you guys I've asked a couple people if they would like to see dance videos from me, and that is something that I do really at my best. Um, so this is, I guess, more of my intro video for you guys to go to my channel and hear and see all my videos, and I hope you guys enjoy my channel all the time. I love it, I love it, I love it, and I do this for fun because I want to share my experience of dancing with you guys. And that is what I want to do for you guys is I want to teach the novice dancers, and I want to teach the novice and intermediate and even some of the veterans that I've seen um, from experience. So welcome to my channel. I'm Wreak Havoc, otherwise known as Mercy Scarlet. Um, so let's get this a little bit started here because I want to go ahead and tell you a little bit about me as a person and who I am. This is going to be a very short video because I want to keep it nice and sweet and short and simple to the point. But what I want to go ahead and say is that I am a previous dancer, dancing for 10 years nationally in competition. I danced for 10 years. I went through states, and I've done competitions and nationals. Um, for example, I'm going to edit them in here. These are some of the actual competition areas that I had danced in, such as Talent on Parade. You have your showbiz, and you have your Talent on Parade. These are just three of the actual competitions that I had danced in, and by no means is it easy. And I want to ask you guys, what do you want to have out of me? So send your feedback so that I can know what you guys want to learn. Is there a certain type of dance? Is there a certain type of genre? Is there a certain type of dance? Maybe tap dancing. Do you want to learn hip hop, jazz? Do you want to know pointers like pointing shoes? Do you want to know your basic dances? Do you want to know how to stretch properly? Let me know. Let me know because I love you guys and I love you, love you, love you. And I will have my first video up hopefully soon. So without further ado, welcome to my channel. I mean, come on. You don't love me, you love me. Okay? But I am a furry. I am also, and also I'm gonna pop my character up on the screen. Um, and this is Mercy. This is my persona. Um, and I will be debuting her at FWA 2018, and I'm super, super, super excited. She is going to be made by Kayla Critters on Facebook, otherwise known as Kayla. I love her. I love her already. I love all of the stuff she's done. I've been watching her work for quite some time now, and I'm so happy that I got to commission her, and I'm so glad that I get to debut my brand new wonderful looking suit to you guys at FWA 2018. And, just tell me your experiences. If you've had experiences with dancing, let me know. I want to have guests on this channel. I want to have people come see me. I want to be at FWA. Come see me. Like, come see me. Because I love all of you guys. And I want to be able to share my information with you guys. I hope you guys really enjoy this channel. And you guys asked for it. So definitely see you around. And also, welcome to my channel.